I would highly recommend this program to anybody, especially in emergency medicine. I don't think there's anything out there that comes close to this level of efficiency and overall quality. The instructors were phenomenal. They were very patient, very clear and concise in their explanations of the techniques, be it physician or ultrasonographers. They also showed their particular tips and suggestions how to become more efficient with certain techniques in regards to using the ultrasound probes. In addition, this current program was very efficient in the sense that we were given videos to look at before coming down here, and the stations were set up in regards to the areas of the ultrasound. Example, the FAST exam, abdominal ultrasound, GYN ultrasound, cardiac ultrasound. And it was constructed in such an efficient way that, and spent 3 hours in the morning, 3 hours in the afternoon, and you rotated stations. The ratio of participants is what I found particularly to my benefit as far as learning. I had at any time 1 or 2 other participants along with myself per instructor. So you're talking a 2-to-1 to 3-to-1 ratio. So I had a lot of hands-on experience, and that was very beneficial, very valuable. After looking at the course online and what it has to offer, I found a program that tailored to my needs, that being the Introduction to Emergency Medicine Ultrasound and Advanced Emergency Medicine Ultrasound, of which I just completed as of this video. And I must say it was thoroughly worth the time, worth the effort. The last 2 days I learned a phenomenal amount of things in regards to application towards my discipline, of which I will apply immediately as early as this week, as soon as I get back to my emergency medicine practice.